But here we are, this is our view today. We're on the beach. Thanks for joining us on another great video. We're here at Robert Moses State Park here on Long Island. Long Island is so full of outdoor activities. We don't have mountains, but we have beaches. Obviously, Long Island is long and it is surrounded by water. So we're here today on the South Shore at Robert Moses State Park. I'm with Kelvin again. We're gonna start flying our drones. It's a little windy. We're gonna wait for it to calm down. We're gonna get some great footage, but thank you so much for joining us. Here we are on another quarantine weekend. Beaches are opening up, people are out. We're here early to get some great drone footage. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it. Alright, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, we are here today at Robert Moses State Park on the South Shore of Long Island, New York. Enjoying the beautiful weather. It's 60 degrees out here. It is a Saturday, but it's early before everybody gets out, so we're just flying, get some good footage. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll bring you more content. Dust Bets Adventure out.